Hello everyone, welcome back to Grafted Technology. If this is your first time being here, you are welcome, and please do subscribe. Click that subscribe button to stay connected for interesting and educative tutorials. If you have been here and watching videos, you haven't hit that subscribe button, what are you waiting for? This is the time. Please do hit that button, like this video as well, and stay connected. All right, in today's tutorial I'm talking about the if function. The if function is a logical statement used to determine whether a condition is true or false. If the condition is true, Excel will display one result, and if the condition is false, Excel displays a different result. All right, so here is a made up exercise of figures about firms with the highest profit and loss. Firms with the highest profit and loss. So I'm going to be using this example. I want to find out whether each of those firms was a success or failure based on if the profit is less than 350 million, then the movie was a failure. Otherwise, it was a success. Okay, so to do that, this means I'll be working with the profit and loss column, and then here I'll be creating my argument or my formula at that point using the if function. So to go ahead to do that, I'm going to go to the formulas tab, click on the formulas tab. Now we have the function library group, where we have the logical function. Like I did say that if function is a logical statement, so I'll go to the logical, click on the down arrow, and there we have the if function. Once you click on that part, this function argument dialog box comes out. Now this is where you put in the logical test. Remember, we want to find out whether each film was a success or failure based on if the profit is less than 350 million. Now this is the profit column. I'll click on the profit and it gives me D3. If it's less than, so my formula there, if you need to know your mathematical formula, so less than will be that formula, then I type in 350 million. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So if this column D3 or that cell is less than 350 million, then it was a failure. Otherwise, logical test, otherwise it was a success. So value if true, if this happens, logical test, this particular one, if this happens, which is a logical test, then the movie value if true, if this is true, then that movie is a failure. Value if false, if this is not true, then the movie was a success. All right, so once you're done, key in the argument of function argument, click the OK, and then it takes you to that point. So let's see the check the integrity of what we've done, if it's correct. Now profit loss, here we have 9 something, which is above 350 million, so it means the movie is a success, so which means it's correct. Now use, because that's what we'll be doing for the rest of this cells, so just run an autofill, click and hold down that tiny and run your autofill. So you can see automatically we have the values for the other movies. So let's see if this is correct. This particular one tells us this movie is a failure. So I'm just going to check, because the profit here is less than 350 million, which was our criteria. So I'll just color that red. Those that are failures, I'll make them red. Now this is above 350 million, giving us a success, 350 million giving us a success. So those that are above 350 million, it gave us as a success. So you would see that this is also less than 350 million, which is a failure. So this is me checking that the integrity of what I have calculated, or the integrity of the function that I've keyed into my exercise. Now I can clearly see that this is less than 350 million, which is the criteria, this, that, which was our criteria in trying to use the if function. So if you go back and look at the formula bar, you would see the formula that we used. So the if function is quite an interesting function to use in Excel, and it's easy to work with. You just need to understand the mathematical formula in converting the words like less than, changing it to a mathematical formula. That way you're able to understand what formula to use, and you also need to pay attention. If say you're in a class, or yes, you're trying to work on an activity, you need to comprehend the question. If you understand the question and what you want to do, then you'll be able to figure out and create a formula for what it is you want to do. I hope you do like and understand this tutorial. Please drop your comment in the comment sections below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.